Here we come to the elevators at the Avenida North Side Garage in downtown Houston, Texas. The elevators, the JimLiElevators 500A elevators I've filmed are in the south side, the ThyssenKrupp elevators in the central side, and these are in the north side. I didn't think about filming these, but since I filmed the other two elevators, I say why not include these. These were installed in 2016. 7.
Going up.
Fujitec. I assume these were installed in 2016. Just like the Fujitec elevators in the Georgia are brown.
7th floor. Going down.
These look to be MRL.
First floor.
Voice is loud.
Going up.
Go for one more ride. I did initially plan on filming these elevators, but after the past almost 9-10 years since these were installed, I say why not?
7th floor.
Back to one and there.
Going down.
These are obviously MRL because of the brakes. These are fixtures. They're newer Innovation Universal fixtures. Look at the door. Listen to the doors. It kind of rattles when the elevator car moves.
First floor.
All right, here we are at 1. Going up? Here you go.
Going up.
All right, there it goes. And that's it.